right there on top of the moon. We could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold.
Hi beauties, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while. Yes guys, it's been a while I put out a video. Yeah, today is Sunday, 21st of April, and yeah, your baby girl is traveling. I'm traveling from Warri to Agbo. Yeah, so we are still in Delta State. So your baby girl is traveling to Agbo. School starts tomorrow, and my kids have been with grandma for roughly 3 weeks now. So I'm going to Agbo to get them. We'll be coming back with the train in the night. I'm not really sure, guys. I might decide to use other means of transportation back, like bus or Sienna bus, because the train will only arrive in Jewu at night, and I'm a bit scared when it comes to night journey with kids. So yeah, this is me. So you guys just keep watching. I'm not going to do much. I just want to start this vlog telling you guys where I am headed, yeah. I like today train setting. From another thing, Nigeria is fast developing. They now attend to you like the way they do it back in Europe. Or like before, everyone would just be rushing. So I even believe that some people don't pay. They don't buy tickets with the way they rush to enter the train before. But this 2024, things have changed. Yes, things have changed. Let me say 2 months back, they've changed the setting. After selling the tickets to you, they will wait at the gate to check. And when you enter inside the Vaxa, again, they will still check. When you are about to enter the train, they will still check. And as the train is moving, they are still checking your ticket to make sure that the seat you are sitting is yours and you actually book a ticket. So I love this. They are now very organized. People don't stand that much like they used to, so you don't fight for seat anymore. Before, guys, you see 3 people, 4 people dragging one seat, like it's crazy. Sometimes you can sit to your you can't even sit to your destination. That's how bad it is. But it's no longer so. It's very well organized now. So if you've been meaning to use train, don't worry, just use it. You are cool. You won't fight to enter trade anymore. So yeah, guys, let's just start this journey, and I'll catch up with you guys in another clip. But firstly, let me give you a mini tour of my wagon where I am sitting. Yeah, guys. Yeah, see, very well organized, and I just love everything. Yeah. Clear. So guys, journey with me as we make this trip. Let me go pick the kids because tomorrow school runs again. Your baby girl have added a little weight, but now I'm going to disappear again. Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. So this is the continuation of the vlog I started long time ago. Yeah guys, I just want to end it. If you are watching this clip now, just know that it's been long, but yeah, watch the video to the end. In today's clip, I'm just going to unbox my dining set, and I want you all to arrange and unbox with me, so just keep watching. So guys, this is the full dining set. This is how it came in, and yeah, I'm just going to unwrap them, and let's see, let's just arrange it. The dining area is not so big for some reason, and I didn't even take the measurement of this dining area. So this is what we have, and we're going to work with it. Let me just see how this full set going to fit in. Just keep watching. Let's firstly unwrap.
Kokaye, what I do with my life. If you know like Kapwe Fatima, yeah. Kokaye, what I do with my money. If I go broke, I'ma contain 'em. Okay, thanks for your concern. I get manager, so no worry about me, worry about your airline. Underrated, but I'm still cashing out. Ego shock, you say I get money past your fave. Oh, oh, my G, solo, solo, to let's spend on your own. My G, day your own. Oh, oh, my G, solo, to let's spend on your own. My G, day your own. Kokaye, if you rubbish my talent, no be you I sing for, no be your apartment. I can guess, say you stay with your mommy and daddy at 35, okay. Kokaye, if I know win Grammy, if I know win Grammy, I go still win Grammy. Repete, tu ma po vitamin C, ma tu da mi si, oh, for me.
I mean, miss, I get them too much. It's better to get them surplus. We're gonna for you, no go take off. What you tell, mo dúpẹ́ mo thank God. Ọmọ lóore mo gbáyé mo kẹ́kọ̀ọ́. Orin làbí ẹ̀tẹ́ tí ẹgbẹ́ kọ. Ìlú làbí májíkì kò sọ̀rọ̀. What can far? Keep distance if you walk away. My love, Diva loves I see gala. Alumbarika, Parami Mecca, Arabasara, Laja Katim Badala. Nobody kill my yoga. I dey on my way. Ademaya, may nobody kill my yoga.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
So far, this is the finished look of the dining area. So I want to end this video here, but I have to quickly show you guys the finished setup. Yeah, so I decided to switch the dining chair like this so that the gray will be here and black this way. Yeah, I chose this color because this gold at the side matches with my yellow couch in my sitting room, and the black just go with the table, and the gray, I also have a gray couch. That is why I choose this color, and it also goes with the curtain. So guys, this is it. If you watch up to now, please don't forget to like this video, share, comment, subscribe. If you are coming for the first time, don't leave without turning on your post notifications so that you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. And some amazing returnees that keeps coming back to support me despite not showing up for some time now. I love you all and I appreciate you guys. Thank you, and I will see you guys on my next. Bye guys.